how to design hero animation like this in Figma. All right, here I have a shape and an image. Now let's go to the shape, transform into a component and create two variants. Select the second shape and scale it down. Next, let's go to a prototype and connect the first variant with the second one. Pick after the day 1 millisecond and smart animate and also 1 millisecond. Next, connect the second variant with the third one. Pick after the day 1 millisecond, smart animate, bouncy effect, and 1500 millisecond. Next, let's go and transform the image portrait to a component and then to variant. Scale down the second image and then go to prototype and connect the first variant with the second one. After today, 1 millisecond, smart animate, bouncy, and 1 millisecond. Next, select the second variant and connect it with the third one. After the delay, 1 millisecond, smart animate, bouncy, and 1500. All right, now let's go to my hero frame, go to assets, and bring my animation component inside my frame. All right, now select the frame, hit the play button to see the animation in action. All right, this is the animation of my hero.